Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add money to eToro using your eToro application on your mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, open up the eToro application and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the home page, tap on the 3 horizontal menu button at the top left corner. Once you do that, an expanded menu will pop up on the screen. Go to the bottom of the screen and click on the blue Deposit Funds button. On the next page, enter the amount of money you want to deposit. Right underneath your fund, select your currency by tapping on the USD drop-down and choose a different currency if you want to change to a different currency as well. After you are done, look for the credit/debit card drop-down and tap on it. Now select your payment method. eToro supports various payment methods such as credit or debit card, PayPal, bank transfer, Neteller, and Skrill. Select any one payment method you would like to use. After selecting one, you will need to enter the on-screen instruction details. If you've selected credit/debit card, you will need to enter your card number, the expiry date for the card, and the CVV code. Finally, after you are done entering the details for your payment method that you've chosen, tap on Deposit at the bottom, and then you will be able to deposit funds on eToro. Remember that the minimum deposit amount varies by country and payment method. Deposit via bank transfer may take a few days, while credit card and digital wallet deposits are usually instant. Once your funds are added, you can start trading on eToro. So that's how you easily add money to your eToro account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.